distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Honesto M. Rotaquio, our district supervisor, Dr. Nenita M. Algaranez, our chairman on education here in Polillo, Honorable Belia Coreses, our beloved principal, Mr. Mario Virifazo, our head teacher, Ms. Josefina B. Armada, our dearest teachers, parents, visitors, spectators, and fellow graduates, good evening. Graduation Day. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Even a countdown has been made as it approaches. 5 more days to go, 4 more days to go, 3, 2, and 1 more day to go before graduation. Now, the time has finally come. We have reached the peak of the mountain we climbed. The mountain of high school life, where our alma mater, Polillo National High School, stands. But our climb did not become smooth and always comfortable. It became slippery and rough at many times. Some of our audiences may be thinking that we, graduates and honor students, made it to the top because we are the best. The truth is, none of us here will graduate saying, I did everything perfectly. We've done a lot of mistakes. I myself have committed many. I have fallen from this mountain many, many times. Throughout it all, I and the people who are always behind me have ensured that I get up, dust myself off, and climb again. Every time I fall, I get bruises and scars, which taught me to accept my weaknesses and use them to reach success. So, here I stand, delivering my speech. Though it is called a valedictory address, I do not stand here as valedictorian myself. I was molded by my environment, by all of you who are sitting here watching me. I couldn't have accomplished this without your help. My peers and classmates, it was all of you who were my competition yet my backbone. In that way, we are all valedictorians. As we climbed this mountain, we also shared moments which made us stop to laugh and pause to cry. Gaya ng ating pagtatapos, hindi rin natin malilimutan ang ating pagsisimula. Ang unang pagkakakilala at pagbubuo ng unang pagkakaibigan. Ang unang klase, unang mga guro, unang pag-ibig, at unang pagkasawi. Masaya natin ginawa ang lahat ng sama-sama. Ang bawat isa ay may kanya-kanyang bahagi sa buhay nating lahat. Sa ating unang taon, hindi natin malilimutan ang pagsali sa mga kompetisyon sa kabila ng pagiging bago natin sa ating paaralan. At ang labis din namang pagkatuwa kapag nakakakuha ng mataas na pwesto. Umakyat tayo sa ikalawang taon kung saan pinakamaraming pagsusulit ang ating pinagdaanan na mas nagpatatag naman sa ating samahan. Nang dumating ang ikatlong taon, naging mas masaya pa tayo, lalong dumami ang mga kaibigan at lubos na nalinang ang mga itinatagong talento at kakayahan. Dito na rin nabuo ang barkadang tunay at mga samahang naging daan upang higit natin makilala ang ating mga sarili at ang ating mga kapwa mag-aaral. Sa pagdaan natin sa mga prosesong ito'y, hindi natin namalayang tayo pala inihahanda na sa ating ika-4 at huling taon sa high school. Ito'y hanggang sa dumating na nga ang araw na tayong mga dating tagasunod ay naging mga leader na ng ating paaralan. Mga dating nakikinig ay siya ng pinakikinggan at mga pinakabata noon ngunit naging pinakamatatanda na sa mga mag-aaral sa paglipas ng panahon. Mas malalaking responsibilidad na ang sa atin ay inihatag. Natuto tayong magbigay ng ating oras at sarili sa ating mga kapwa ang mga okasyong ating pinakihintay, ang mga culminating activities, naging abala tayo sa paghahanda kung ano ang susuotin nating damit, sapatos, at kung ano-ano pang kagamitan. Sa pagsasagawa natin ito, unti-unti ay napagtanto natin matagumpay na ang PNHS. Pagka tayo'y ganap ng mga binatilyong dalagitang hinubog sa kanyang mga palad. Sa mga huling araw nating magkakasama sa institusyong ito, higit pa tayong pinagbuklod ng maraming mga di malilimutang pangyayari. Isa na sa mga ito na hindi ko malilimutan ay ang presentasyon natin ng El Filibusterismo, kung saan sinubok ang ating samahan at pagkakaisa. At dahil dito ay napatunayan natin, may tagumpay kung sama-sama tayong kumikilos tungo sa isang adhikain. Ang lahat ng ito, kasama ang ating mga tampuhan, kaligayahan, at lahat ng ating mga pinagsamahan sa loob ng 4 na taong pamamalagi natin dito sa ating paaralan, ay dadalhin natin bilang isang magandang alaala saan man tayo makarating. At this moment, we are already done climbing the mountain of high school life. But just like what Miley Cyrus said in her song, The Climb, there's always going to be another mountain. We're always gonna wanna make it move. Always going to be an uphill battle. Sometimes we're gonna have to lose. The world is full of endless mountains to be climbed. We overcame one, and suddenly comes another. We have successfully finished climbing a very high mountain today, but another one, a higher, bigger, and wider mountain awaits us. The world, and even ourselves, may turn us down because of a blunder during our climb. But we must never give up. Success is never achieved perfectly. Failures have always been a part of it. It's just how we rise up from the failures to continue climbing again. Today, we are challenged to get ready and face the bigger mountain ahead of us. Together, let us climb our own mountains, overcome the obstacles, and come back to bring honor to our alma mater. We are now graduates, but as the saying goes, no man is an island. Whatever a person may accomplish, those accomplishments were achieved only through the combination of his personal drive and motivation, and the love and support given to him by the people around him. Therefore, I must end by acknowledging all those who have been so instrumental in bringing me to where I am today. First and foremost, I want to thank God, our Almighty Father, who gave me everything I have now. My parents, Mama and Papa, although I need you, and aches many times, I hope I made you proud of me today. I love you both so much. Also, my relatives, especially Tita Lynette, Aldine, and Drea, who have always been very supportive to our family. To my grandma, who patiently took care of us, even though pasaway kami minsan. Nanay, mahal po kita. A lot of thanks also to my sister and best friend, Nicole and Judy Ann, who were my cheerleaders whenever I lose hope. And of course, to all our teachers, who became our parents and friends here in school. To Ma'am Sharon, our beautiful, thoughtful, and very supportive advisor. To Sir Mel, whose words of wisdom never fail to enlighten our minds. And to Ma'am Denten, who became our advisor throughout our whole stay here in PNHS. And the one who has always believed in me when no one else does. Thank you so much. Lastly, I want to thank all my friends here, my classmates and batchmates. We are not a perfect batch, and we know that. But whatever others may say, for me, and I know for every one of us, we will always be the best batch ever. And I'm proud of that. Once again, good evening and thank you all so much. To God be the glory.